Here today we are going to discuss about a transportation problem. Find an initial basic feasible solution of the following problem using northwest corner rule. Here we are given a table and this is the supply and this is the demand. First basic thing we have to check is whether the problem is balanced or not. So step 1. So check whether the sum of all the supplies and sum of all the demands are equal. So we'll represent this as AI and BJ. So summation of AI is equal to 19 plus 37 plus 34, that is equal to 90, and summation BJ is equal to 16 plus 18 plus 31 plus 25. So that is also equal to 90. So sum of supply is equal to sum of demand. Therefore, the problem is balanced. Now the next thing we have to check is, this is the northwest corner rule. So that itself defines what we have to find. So this is the northwest position, this is north and this is west. So the corner, northwest corner of the table is the first allocation that we have to consider. Here we have to check the supply and demand. Here supply is more and the demand is less. So subtract the demand. So 16 minus 16 will give you 0 and 19 minus 16 will give you 3. So here the allocation should be 16. So the least number should be allocated in this cell. Now this column has become 0, so strike it out. So make it neat so that the problem doesn't look clumsy. We are going to use the same table, okay? So now the next northwest corner cell is this. Here we have to check the supply and check the demand. Here the supply is 3 and the demand is 18. So the lowest should be allocated here. So here we have to subtract 3, so it becomes 0. Here we have to subtract 18 minus 3 will give you 15. So now here this row, here supply has become 0, so strike it out. So that row vanishes. The next northwest corner cell is this. Here we have 37 as supply and demand is 15. So the lowest value is 15, least value is 15, so allocated. So now subtract 15 from here, so you'll get 0. 15 from here will give you 22. So now we have 0 here in this column, so strike it out. Now the next northwest corner cell is this. Check the demand, check the supply. Here it is 31 and here it is 22. So the lowest value is 22. Allocate it to this cell. And now subtract 22 here, we'll get 0. Subtracting 22 here, we'll get 9. Now we have 0 in this row, so strike that row. The next northwest corner cell is this. Here we have the demand as 9 and supply as 34. So allocate the least value. So 9 is the least value and we have to subtract 9 here, so you'll get 0.